went to Spain for the first semester, and then I went to Brazil for the second semester. In Spain, I went to a very small town in the west of Spain, called Cáceres. It's on the Portuguese border. A really lovely place. It was a good opportunity for me because there wasn't a massive English-speaking population there. So in terms of developing my language, I felt like I came on leaps and bounds in the semester I was there. I met a lot of other people from around Europe who are in the same position as you, and yeah, really enjoyed it. And then Brazil in second semester was a crazy experience. I loved it.
I do French and Spanish, so I did Belgium and Vigo in Galicia in the north of Spain. And it was a brilliant, terrifying, ridiculous experience for both of them. It was just brilliant to be in a different language, like to be surrounded by it all the time.
Once I arrived in Paris, I kind of almost went into tourist mode a bit for the first week, just trying to fit in everything as possible before uni started. But it's definitely an interesting perspective to study in a foreign university and to see what student life is like in another country. And then in my time in Japan, that was my first time in Asia actually. So being in a completely different culture, I found that a little bit of a culture shock, but it's really fascinating, and being able to learn more about a culture that's completely different to any of ours. I really enjoyed the experience.
There's no underestimating what that experience gives for you, because you just grow as a person so much, but you also just develop your cultural and language skills like more than you can imagine. And that's something which Cardiff offered me. They were always there on the other side at the end of the phone to support you and help you with anything you need.